All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So it is time to follow up with the Pixel Buds again. Now, I did a follow up on these maybe 5 to 6 days ago, and I reported some things to you guys. A lot of you guys said, "Hey, Jay, you need to be on the latest firmware. You need to do this, you need to do that." And I understand your concerns. I appreciate it. I asked for you guys' help, but unfortunately, I was already on 5.5.2 or whatever the latest firmware was, and everything was still doing the same thing. So this video is going to be a follow-up on that, and it's going to be a follow-up on battery life and just a normal routine, because these are actually some awesome earbuds. So first things first, the software. A lot of you guys said get on the latest firmware, then reset them, and then reconnect them. So I was already on the latest firmware, and then what I did was I erased them and then set them back up again, and I'm happy to report that no issues. Absolutely nothing going on with these earbuds now. As far as the connection goes, haven't had any issues. I don't anticipate any more issues with these. And I think maybe it was just the first connection. It just was having some problems, and it needed to be resolved by doing a reset. So they were reset. They were unpaired, repaired, reset, and everything. And they're actually doing great. Now, battery life. Battery life, as I reported before, the case will give you some, the earbuds last quite a bit of time on a charge, but I've learned that this case for some reason drains a whole bunch faster than, it's not bad on battery. The case has good battery life, but I'm comparing it to other cases out there that I have that are, and it could be there's a smaller battery in here, it could be anything. I don't use these every day, and when I do use them, they work fine. So battery life is good on the earbuds, but the standby time of the case, I found that it's draining faster than it probably should. And when I say draining faster than it probably should, I don't mean it's dropping from 85 to 40%. It's not even, it's dropping in increments of 5 or so when not in use. But I have other cases that'll stay at 92% for a long time, or 75% for a long time. They just have good standby time. So I want to hear about your standby time with your Pixel Buds case. Do you even check that out? Some of you guys probably didn't monitor that, or you're not really paying attention to it. You're just using them, and then you're charging them when they need to be charged. But I highly recommend that you check the battery on your case and see how long it's actually staying charged. Now, since I've had these for 10, 15 days, I'm not sure, I've charged this case two times, I think. So, and I just took it off the charger. So, and in comparison to other cases, this case I can keep other cases. I've got cases that have sat for weeks, months, and they still have over half a charge, and they've sat for 2-3 months. So with these not being in use, and then, having to charge it, just it's dying like that, I don't know what it is. But nonetheless, again, I'm happy to report that these sound good. They feel good. I changed the tips out to a larger tip, a different tip, and it seals off better. I'm just happy that, these sound really good. And overall usage of these, they're very comfortable. And I don't really have anything else to report on these. I think I've seen some people say that these are just the best earbuds ever. I'm not gonna go so far as to say they're the best earbuds. And they definitely don't sound the best of all the earbuds I have, but they're not the worst. They're in like the top 10 for sure. And I have a lot of earbuds and headphones. So just keep that in mind when you're talking to somebody like me. I have a lot of earbuds and headphones, and I use them for certain things. For instance, I'll carry a pair of earbuds on me, and they'll be my main earbuds. It used to be the Jaybird Runs, but when these came out, and then I got my hands on them thanks to Google, these sound really good. But these aren't the best sounding earbuds, and they're not the most comfortable earbuds. They're in the top 10 though. I think these are nice. And I think if you have a Google device, or even if you don't have a Google device, you just open this case up next to your Android phone, and it's going to pop up and tell you, hey, there's something waiting for you. It's going to have a little picture of them. Same thing like on the Pixels. So I think if you're interested in the Pixel Buds, I have to say, shout out to my man LaShawn, by the way, Team Pixel stand up. These are a go. These Pixel Buds are really nice. I try to keep everything in pristine condition. So if I decide not to use these for 2 weeks or so, I'll put them back in the box, or I have a case that I have, a drawer that I have for just all my earbuds laid out. So these are in the top 10, and I think they're probably going to stay there. Just remember, probably that you might want to change out your tips. Mine came with really small tips, and I put some large, not extra. I put the large tips on, and now they're doing well. So I like the color white. I like everything about these. These are really good. So it's your man Jay, Pixel Bud update. These are fantastic now. They're flowing right along. I want to know how your standby time is on your battery case, and if you don't monitor it, please start monitoring now so I can get some conversation going. I'll see you guys in the comments. Take care.